Welcome back to Top Repairs. If you notice that your AC is not working properly, it is possible that you might have a faulty evaporator temperature sensor. What I have here is an evaporator temperature sensor, and it is going to be located somewhere underneath the dashboard or somewhere around the glove box. Now, this sensor, it is going to be located very close to the evaporator. And the purpose of this sensor is to monitor the air flowing past the evaporator. And by knowing the temperature that's flowing past through the evaporator, it is going to help prevent the evaporator from either freezing up or getting too hot. Here is a close-up view of the evaporator temperature sensor. And the first and most common reason why the sensor fell, it is going to be caused by dirt accumulating directly on this wire. If dirt is accumulated on this wire, it can prevent the evaporator temperature sensor from working properly. If the wire on the evaporator temperature sensor is coated with dirt or that wire is corroded, it can cause a lot of issue to the AC system. For example, it can cause the AC system to blow super cold air. It can cause the AC system to blow warm air. Or you might notice that the AC system, it is going to work inconsistent. For example, if you notice frequent cycling and the AC system is always turning on or off, or you notice that it only works at a certain temperature. For example, let's just say the AC system only work at 72 degrees and the AC system will not work at 75 degrees. That could be another sign that there's something wrong with this evaporator temperature sensor. If you look at the AC system and you notice frost or ice is starting to develop on certain parts of the AC system. For example, if you notice frost on the AC line or you notice ice is on the evaporator, that could be another sign that this evaporator temperature sensor is not working properly. Before replacing the evaporator temperature sensor, I always check the connection, I always check the wire, make sure there's no issue to it. Also, next, before replacing the sensor, you could always try to clean it using mass airflow sensor cleaner. And you can clean the wire on the evaporator temperature sensor. So all you gotta do is just spray it a few times and allow it to dry for a few minutes. When the evaporator temperature sensor is dry, you'll notice that the wire is going to be clean. And now this evaporator temperature sensor could get a proper reading of the air circulating around the evaporator. And when it is working properly, your AC should work more consistent and it should work properly. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.